हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो आज एक हम ऐसे कंपनी की बात करेंगे जिसका बिजनेस इज वेरी यूनिक एंड इट इज़ द ओनली लिस्टेड कंपनी फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस which is gambling. So without wasting time, we will start with the Techno Panda analysis of that particular company. So the company name is Delta Corp, as we know, and some people will recall it as Deltin, which is in Goa. So currently I have opened monthly chart and अभी इसमें हम देखेंगे अभी जैसे कि इन मंथली चार्ट ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन ब्लू कलर की ट्रेंड लाइन है, इट इज अ सपोर्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. सो जब भी कोई पैनिक सेलिंग वगैरह आता है तो इट जनरली टेक सपोर्ट नियर दिस पर्टिकुलर सपोर्ट लाइन. सो जैसे कि अगर आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं तो यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट है, यहाँ पे फिर वापस से सपोर्ट लिया उसने, देन इधर यहाँ पे इन मार्च 2020 आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 4 ईयर इसने ये सपोर्ट ब्रेक किया था, बट अगेन इट रिटेन्ड दिस सपोर्ट एंड नेक्स्ट इन मे मंथ इट क्लोज अबाउट दिस सपोर्ट लेवल. सो बेसिकली इसको रिजेक्शन मिला फ्रॉम लोअर लेवल्स. So which means the stock and the company was very good. But it was like कि buy when there is blood around. So it was this particular moment when but an investor can look to buy this particular stock. I am not taking any credits for this because मैंने कोई update नहीं करा buy and sell at that time. But the purpose of showing this is just कि जब भी ऐसे कोई पैनिक सेलिंग वगैरह कुछ आता है तब लॉन्ग टर्म सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस प्ले अ क्रूशियल रोल. And at that time one should wait for a reversal candle and then जब and at that particular level if a stock can be added तो आपको रिटर्न्स बहुत अच्छे मिल सकते हैं. अगर सपोज किसी ने ये इधर सपोज किसी ने 70 या 75 पे भी किसी ने अगर ये स्टॉक को बाई किया रहता तो अब तक इसका उनका इन्वेस्टर का रिटर्न 142% होता इन जस्ट अराउंड 1 ईयर. सो द लॉन्ग टर्म सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस प्ले अ क्रूशियल रोल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम जब कोई पैनिक सेलिंग या फिर एकदम बड़ा सा रेड कैंडल और कुछ नेगेटिविटी होता है मार्केट में तब. So let's start with the weekly time frame now. So currently weekly में it is forming a sort of inverse head and shoulder pattern. Sort of it is not exactly the inverse head and shoulder pattern because ये जो इधर का जो shoulder है इसका लाइन रेजिस्टेंस लाइन को टच नहीं कर रहा है, बट इट इज़ अ टेक्स्ट बुक डेफिनेशन एंड प्रैक्टिकल और थियोरेटिकल में बहुत फर्क होता है इन मार्केट. सो वी कैन से इनवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न किसी को अगर इसको रेजिस्टेंस लाइन बोलना है तो दे कैन से दैट एज वेल. So if we see in weekly time frame from 2018, so for around 3.5 years, the stock was in downtrend. So उसका जो प्राइस था वो 400 से लेके अराउंड 53 तक आ गया था, which is almost if we see around 87% correction in price in just around 3.5 years. So this was a downtrend for this particular stock. और अभी अगर ये if this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern and अगर ये पैटर्न को ब्रेक करके if a stock is a breakout above this, so the जो डाउन ट्रेंड है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा and stock will enter in uptrend. So currently the stock is trading near its resistance जो कि around 180 190 के आसपास है and the current price is 180 as of now. So if one wants to buy this stock at current price, so one can buy this stock because अभी तो सिर्फ risk the stop loss in this case will be around 140. अगर आप ब्रेकआउट पे भी बाय करोगे still stop loss will be around 140. If you buy at 180 before breakout then also stop loss will be 140. So basically if one wants to wait for the confirmation तो उनका जो रिस्क है वो 50 रुपीज़ का हो जाएगा. if one wants to buy it early देन उनका रिस्क अराउंड 40 रुपीज़ हो जाएगा. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद फेक ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा तो उनका रिस्क ज़्यादा हो जाता है. एंड अगर ब्रेकआउट अभी नहीं दे रहा है एंड इफ यू बाय स्टॉक करंट नाउ तो कितना टाइम कंसोलिडेट करेगा नो वन कैन से. So this is particularly for positional trading और investment purpose. So the company का जो चार्ट है it is looking very good currently and it is trading near resistance और यहाँ पे अगर देखेंगे तो एक रेंज में ही है. So it shows some sign of accumulation in this stock. If we see the green candle, green bar in volume, then it is more relatively more compared to the red bars. So it shows the sign of accumulation near this resistance line. So this is all about the technical analysis of Delta Corp. Just to summarize it, risk averse trader can wait for the breakout above 190. If one is willing to take risk, then the trader can add this stock at particularly 180 at current price or slightly lower than this. It's fine. So let's start with the fundamental analysis now. So the stock book value is around 72.8 and price to book will be around 2 to 2.5. Face value is 1. If we see the profit and loss statement, then the company का जो net profit है, it was increasing year on year from around from 2016. Then in March 2020 ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं था in net profit and in net sale as well. And in FY21 which is particularly last year, so यहाँ पे इनका जो net profit है it reduced and जो sales है it reduced. This was because of pandemic. जब जब social distancing और ये सब norms वगैरह restrictions वगैरह थे तब basically there were very less sales, or particularly the casinos were closed at that time during pandemic. So this can be the reason for the negative net profit overall. This so if we check the balance sheet as well, the company is debt free, इनका borrowing zero है, and जो reserves है it is increasing year on year. So the fundamentals of the company is very good. And जो pandemic का scene था, it is already factored in the price. So as of now, I don't think so P&L will reflect the current position, like current status of the company, but fundamentally is very good and investor can track this particular stock, investor or trader, and as per the trading plan they can execute the plan. If we check investors holding, then so the promoters holding is increasing year on year from 20 September 18, and currently it is 33.28%. FIIs have reduced the stake. So there can be multiple reason in this. I don't know what can be the reason, but promoters ने थोड़ा सा stake increase किया इस case में. And if we check shareholding pattern, promoters pledge, the promoter pledging is reduced quarter on quarter. So from 11.26% it is reduced to 7.5%. So so the negative side is the promoter are still having pledged in this particular share, but the company is debt free and fundamentally strong as well. So Abhi, I don't understand about cash flow, and I am very frank about it. But only thing I know about cash flow is जो net cash flow रहता है, it is added or subtracted in the cash and cash reserves. So यहाँ पे अगर हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे मार्च 21 में it is -34. So if we go in balance sheet, तो यहाँ पे cash equivalents है, तो 96 minus 64 is 34, uh, which is around 34, not exactly 34, which is around 34. So basically this level, this net cash flow is adjusted in this cash and cash equivalent of the next year. So itna hi meko idea, but I don't know much about cash flow, and I'm very frank. You can refer to some other site to learn about cash flow statements. So this is all about the Delta Corp Technofunda analysis. If you have liked this video, then you can share this with your friend as well. You can like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit this bell icon to get notified for any videos that we upload. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.